You want to try some?
Come on. You eat that snow?
Do you want some?
No, I'm okay. You eat. You have some.
Yeah, I'll have some more.
What does it taste like?
It's like nothing.
It tastes like snowflakes. That's the perfect. That's
See
exactly what it tastes
No
like.
face.
Yeah.
See, no face.
So the snow tastes like snowflakes. That's very smart.
Actually, it tastes like Christmas.
Oh, it tastes like Christmas.
There's not no all there.
Yeah, there's more over there. You can have some of that one too.
Make sure you eat clean snow, kid.
Yes,
That's all I have to
don't
say
eat
about
yellow
that.
snow.
Yeah.
Never eat yellow snow.